Walking chest press. Now, this is set up from the activity I did before, where I was doing the squat to rotary row. But for the walking chest press, I actually want to add a little bit of length so that when I press it, the chain never leaves the ground. So what I'm going to do is, it's going to be really similar to the push the other day, except I'm not using a partner this time. So again, I'm going to keep, so if you imagine a 45-degree angle, I want my my upper arm at about 45 degrees from my body as I turn my hips and drive through. As I do it, and it's hard to demonstrate because the chain's awfully long for the space that I've got, but as I do it, I want to connect to the ground so the weight sits over the front foot, and then as I drive, I'm going to connect into the floor and I'm going to be pushing to make it happen. So let me see if I can set this up, and I might actually spin the camera around so you can watch me do it with a little more length behind. So hopefully you can see me now. If you can't, I'll appear on screen soon, but I'll just do a few reps. So I'm going to be soft through the knees, I'm going to turn my hips and extend. Now, if you don't want the chain to run over your feet like it did for mine just then put your feet in line with each other, open up the front foot just slightly, turn your hips and drive. In line, turn and drive. So I'm driving through the back leg as I do it. Okay, it is a very connected movement.